Dear subscribers, welcome back to Jamaican Insider. And if this is your first time, welcome. So now I'm on my way to Holywell Recreational Park in St. Andrew. So stick and stay with me. Check out this spot. Let's see what we have here. Bloom Cafe. Alright, let's have a look around. As you can see, it's very rustic and very local. So if that's what you're looking for, you can definitely check it out. Support the local business owners and farmers. Look at that view. Now we're looking at Kingston. And today's menu: Ital stew,
rice, also.
Rice, oh
rice.
Gosh, look at that.
Yeah. And then we don't know, we have Aki line up. Aki we go put on and our
Right.
put on.
Aki and a few and string beans. Everything there, man. See there? Pop chow. Real Ital living, you know? So of course I had to try the Ital stew. I tried it with some ground provision. Look at that view. It's a perfect combination. Great food, great view. It's great for the body. So another place to check out. Now we're in Irish Town. We have Irish Pub and Grill. It's not just a pub, as the name implies. They also serve food. So right now I'm trying to get some breakfast. Let me see what's available. They also have smoothie available if that's what you're feeling for. So at the Irish Pub and Grill, I had ackee and saltfish with fried dumpling and of course plantain and roasted breadfruit. They also had callaloo and saltfish, another Jamaican food that I believe they also served liver. So definitely check it out if you have a chance. Further along the road is another restaurant called Eats. This one is a larger restaurant and it has more food on offer. Still rustic, but not as rustic as the others. So at Eats restaurants, persons can eat inside or you can dine outside. It really is up to you. As you can see, it has quite a few works of art. Very nicely decorated. Another pull of Eats restaurant is the fact that they have accommodations available, so persons can overstay if they like. So now we've made it to Hollywell Park, and this is the sign that you are greeted by. And there is a tuck shop. So there is a tuck shop on site that opens on Saturdays and Sunday between the hours of 10 to 4. So here at Hollywell there are several trails, of which one is the Oatley Mountain Nature Loop Trail. Let's check out this board. Alright, so now we're going to start the Waterfall Trail. So the waterfall at the end of this trail is a cascading stream typical of the Blue Mountain waterfalls. The Waterfall Trail is a narrow trail about 1.3 kilometers long along the mountainside through cloud forest. Near the end, a spring rises, forming a stream which flows across the Oatley Road to plunge almost 2 meters on its way to the Penkar River. Alright. So it's now 11:13. Let me see how fast it is, or it will take me to complete this trail. So after walking for about 15 minutes, this is what I see. Here we have a sign. Of course, we're going to the waterfall, so we're going to turn left, and the rated station is that way. You can hear the water flowing down there. Water flowing. So now we're almost there, and here it is. I mean, it's nothing major, but it's something to consider if you want peace and quiet, if you want to meditate after hiking for 15 or so minutes. You can definitely come here and just enjoy the sound of the waterfall. We have a seating area right here. The site by the Waterfall Trail is no joke. It's easy when you're going down, but when you're coming back up, whew, it's a workout. Anyway, check out this little hole right there. Can you see it? I'm going to go in it. Come with me as I go in. That's it right there. This is the hole we're going through. As you can see, it's quite difficult. Ooh, have to be bending down. Ooh. It took 15 minutes to get to the waterfall and 30 minutes back. And there is facilities, shower facilities in that direction, and of course restroom, and it's a campsite, so we can definitely camp overnight at Hollywell. So there are also spots for picnics. So you can come with friends and family. Definitely, there is enough space, and of course you can do some cooking on site, but as always, please be sure to put the fire out when you're through. So all in all, Hollywell is a great place for family and friends to come and chill out. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please leave us a like and comment what you've enjoyed. Do consider subscribing if you haven't. And until next time, please subscribe, click the bell, leave a like, comment, share. Thank you.